My own country, Pakistan, is no exception. We have faced devastating floods, droughts, and glacial melt that threaten both our water security and economic stability. The catastrophic floods of 2022 displaced millions, while prolonged droughts continue to impact our agriculture output. We are at a pivotal moment where decisive science-based and cooperative action is needed to prevent future water crises. In Pakistan, we have made water security national priority. The government has been investing in water conservation projects, including rainwater harvesting and smart irrigation techniques, flood resilience initiatives to protect vulnerable communities, sustainable water governance policies that align with our climate action commitments. However, no single nation can tackle these challenges alone. I strongly believe the OIC, with its collective strength and shared vision, must step forward as a leader in global water security efforts. One of the most critical aspects of tackling water scarcity is research and innovation. We cannot manage what we do not measure. Data-driven policies, all AI-based monitoring and hydrological forecasting can help us optimize water use. Pakistan is working on initiatives such as wastewater treatment and reuse to maximize water availability, groundwater recharge project to counteract depleting aquifers, climate resilient agriculture techniques to reduce excessive water consumption. But we need stronger partnership between OIC members, states, universities, researchers, institutions, and policy think tanks to share knowledge, technology, and best practices. The OIC should establish a dedicated research network on water security, allowing our scientists and policymakers to work together in addressing these pressing challenges. Water diplomacy, ladies and gentlemen, and regional cooperation. Water is not just an environmental issue, it is a diplomatic priority as well. Many of our nations share transboundaries, rivers, lakes, and underground water reservoirs, making cooperation in water governance essential for regional stability. Pakistan has successfully navigated water sharing agreements such as the Indus Water Treaty, one of the world's oldest and most resilient transboundaries water sharing frameworks. This model can serve as a reference for other OIC nations dealing with cross-border water challenges. I propose the establishment of an OIC Water Security Forum, a platform where our governments can discuss water sharing agreements and best practices, exchange technical expertise on sustainable water management, and how we can mobilize financial resources for large-scale water infrastructure projects through institutions like the Islamic Development Bank. And of course, looking ahead, we must embrace nature-based solutions to enhance water security, investment in reforestation and wetlands restoration can improve groundwater recharge. Floodwater harvesting can also turn climate-induced disaster into water-saving opportunities. Smart water pricing mechanism can promote conservation in agriculture and industry. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is implementing the Recharge Pakistan project, which harnesses floodwater for groundwater replenishment while restoring ecosystems. Such initiatives can be scaled up across OIC countries to create long-term sustainable water management strategy. Dear Excellencies and ladies and gentlemen, our discussions today must translate into action. I request OIC member states to prioritize water security as a key agenda item in our climate action strategies. Strengthen intergovernmental collaborations on water governances. Facilitate public-private partnerships partnerships to invest in water-efficient technologies. mobilize international climate finances for large-scale water projects. Pakistan stands ready to work with our OIC partners to develop joint solutions, share research, and build a water-resilient future for all. In closing, let me emphasize that water is not just a national issue. It is a shared responsibility. If we fail to act now, we risk exacerbating the climate and humanitarian crisis unfolding before us. But if we come together, united in our commitment, innovation, and cooperation, we can secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Let this meeting mark the beginning of a renewed commitment to water security across the OIC. Together, yes, together, ladies and gentlemen, can turn the challenges into opportunities and forge a path towards resilience and sustainability. Because I strongly believe, and I always say in the end, that it's not I, it's not you, it's us. And together, we can change the world.
Distinguished participants, water security and scarcity is a global challenge that demands collective action. OIC member states must strengthen the collaboration guided by unity and solidarity to develop joint solutions for water-related challenges. Enhancing research and development ecosystems is crucial to achieving sustainable water management practices. By fostering capacity-building initiatives, knowledge sharing, and robust institutional frameworks, member states can ensure water security while strengthening public trust in water governance. The Fourth Islamic Conference of Ministers for Water, which was held in Cairo in October 2018, adopted the implementation plan of the OIC Water Vision. This document serves as a comprehensive framework for cooperation, focusing on knowledge sharing, capacity development, technology transfer, and institutional reforms. Achieving and sustaining water security depends not only on water availability, but also on the economic and institutional capacities of member states.